So how can you use the circle to search on iPhone with the Google apps, right? So let me explain to you how it works on the iPhone. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, check out the rest of the channel and subscribe because I have plenty of tutorials which you're gonna like. So of course, you've probably seen in some ads or on some Android phones that you can like circle to search, but on the iPhone, it works a little bit different because you need to get at the Google app first of all. That's like the app, so it's not like really the Chrome app. You go just to the Google app and you can tap on the camera icon right there, so you can see that it's the Google Lens feature, and you can now either upload your photos or capture them right away. Like let's say I'm gonna capture it, and I don't really just circle it, but I use this like selection, square selection, to just adjust the thing or the viewfinder to look for that particular subject. Like on the Android phones, I would just use the circle to locate that and just search it up. But here I'm gonna use this like square selector and only point at the subject to look it up. So it works a little bit different, and technically the circling is not there, but the result in effect is exactly the same. So I believe that you're going to be able to get the job done and look up for your favorite things using the Google services. So let me know if you managed to do it. I really appreciate your support and like your feedback below. Subscribe for more tutorials and upcoming videos as well, and I'll see you later.